Do you love the smell of citrus? I sure do, which makes me excited to tell you all about Citrus Burst Essential Oil Blend. Hi, I'm Katie. I'm a certified aromatherapist. I love teaching people how to make their homes toxin-free using essential oils. And today, I'm going to be talking all about Citrus Burst Essential Oil Blend. Citrus Burst Essential Oil Blend is made up of lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, and bergamot essential oils. So it has a totally citrus aroma that is energizing and uplifting. You can use it in a diffuser to help uplift you, or in a personal inhaler when you're feeling anxious. You can even dilute it and put it in a bath to help uplift you after a tough day. You can also use this blend to clean your home. Citrus oils are very good at killing germs. So you can use it in a cleaning spray or in a homemade soap to make sure you're killing germs in a toxin-free way. This blend uses the properties of citrus oils to help soothe anxiety, uplift you, and clean. For recipes using the Citrus Burst Essential Oil Blend, click the blog post in the description box. Let's make sure you know how to use this blend safely. This blend can be irritating when used on the skin. You always want to dilute an essential oil before putting it on your skin. This blend may be phototoxic, which means it can make you more sensitive to sunlight, so avoid using it before heading out into direct sunlight. We recommend using this blend with kids aged 10 and up. Avoid using this blend around cats, as they'll be sensitive to the citrus oils in it. It is generally safe to be used around dogs, but make sure you leave the door open so your pet can leave if they don't like the aroma. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the link in the description box to get to the blog post to get great recipes to use with Citrus Burst Essential Oil. Thanks for watching.